Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome back to ElectroDrive News, your go-to source for all things electric and beyond. I'm your host, Emma, and today we're talking about a game changer in the world of premium electric vehicles. BYD's just launched Titanium 3. Imagine an SUV that not only gets you from point A to point B with style, but also comes equipped with autopilot-like features and a DJI drone. Yes, you read that right. The Titanium 3 is the first model in BYD's new premium Fang Chengbao brand, designed specifically for younger consumers who crave sporty designs and advanced technologies. Now, let's dive into what makes this vehicle so unique. BYD's God's Eye Advanced Driver Assistance System, also known as ADAS, is a real showstopper. This system can detect snow and mud, helping your Titanium 3 navigate through tough terrain with ease. It's also got the skills to assist drivers in getting unstuck from sand, because let's face it, we've all been there. But that's not all. God's Eye can also navigate highways like a pro and even self-park, giving you one less thing to worry about when you're on the road. And if you think that's impressive, BYD is planning to roll out this system to nearly all of its vehicles, including the Seagull hatchback. Now we know what you're thinking. How much will it set you back? The Titanium 3 comes in 5 variants, with the most expensive model priced at a whopping 193,800 yuan. But wait, there's more. The top-of-the-line model also features a DJI Air 3 drone mounted on the roof. That's right, folks. This vehicle is not just practical, but also has some serious style. And that's BYD's Titanium 3 for you, an SUV that checks all the boxes when it comes to performance, technology, and style. We'll be keeping a close eye on this one, so stay tuned for more updates and reviews from ElectroDrive News.